Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Cube 2 of the weekly contest 314. Find the original array of prefix XOR. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this poem. So this one I actually struggled a lot, just because I confused myself a little bit. And there are a couple of ways you can do it. I think the way that you can think about it is by just writing out the formula. I think that's how I would recommend it, but I didn't, and I tried to visualize in my head, and that's what took so long. This is kind of my answer. But really, you can actually just, this is just the previous I-1, and I think that's pretty much what it comes down to. Could be wrong, yeah. Yeah, the idea here is that it's kind of a tricky XOR interpretation problem, but it should be right. Let's just give it a submit anyway. That would be funny if that was wrong. But yeah, the idea here is that you're given the prefix, so then that means that by definition, and I did not get this during the contest until like the very end, so that's why it took a while, about 6 minutes. The idea here is that, you know, the input is the prefix, right? And so the new number that you get, that's the only difference between the prefix and the new number. So that means that, for example, and they kind of illustrate this, but I think I just try to think too hard about it, meaning that, okay, between to get, you know, so this is the prefix, or this is the prefix really, then to get to the next number, to make it 3, well, we just look at well, I mean, you can kind of literally substitution, right? I'm going to copy and paste and then substitute, right? And this is basically the idea, is that let's say you have this, then you know that you can substitute this with pref 0, and then of course that's just 5 and 7, so this you can substitute with pref 1 and so forth, right? And once you realize that, then you can kind of construct it backwards, right? So that, okay, let's say we actually want these numbers, right? So then, and we have these things. So how do we get this number, right? Well, you get this number by moving this to the other side. And of course, the thing with XOR is that the inverse of XOR is just XOR again. So then now to move it to this side, you just kind of move it here, right? And that's basically what I did here with my code. I mean, during the contest, it was, I kind of misunderstood it a little bit, even though I think I read it correctly, but maybe I just didn't read it correctly because it was kind of hard to read. But yeah, but once you move it to the other side, that's how you calculate this answer. And that's basically how this very quick solution came from. Of course, this is linear time, linear space, because that's the size of the input, and that's the size of the output. So you cannot do better than that. That's all I have for this one. So let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, and watch me solve it live in the contest now. All right, let's go submit. Actually, was worried about that one. That one's where you usually make a mistake on. Okay, find prefix size n. Okay, so and then return, right? 57745. Maybe I got that wrong. Okay, so this is the last one, but then okay. So we want 0. So we want the number that makes it that number, not. Okay. Not the other way around. Whoops. I thought that would be right, but okay. How do you do that XOR? I thought that would be right, actually. 7, and then 7 to get 0. 7 mod 0, right? Oh, this is, whoops, that's why. Okay, so current, whoops, and then something like that, right? Whoops. Nope. Did I misunderstood this? So 5, 7. 5 to 2 is 7. Oh, it's from perf. So then now current is, well, we do this and then, wait, what? So okay, so we have do 7, and then to get 0, we already have 7, but we actually have 5 and 7. So then we need like a second prefix array, is that right? That is confusing, but okay. Something like that, maybe? This is confusing me, to be honest. Okay. Maybe I should have read the poem a little bit better, because I think I just kind of misunderstood the poem altogether. Okay, so we want to output this, so then we want these 3 to be 0. Right? So then that means that we have, because we have 7, but we want 5 and 7, right? We have 7 here, right? So this part is good for now. I am so bad at this particular one. Okay, so then current, okay, and then arc2 is equal to arc. Oh, because this is wrong, or whatever. Is equal to okay, Larry, focus. Cannot believe I'm struggling with this one, but okay. So we have 2, so then we get 7. Okay, and then now we have 5 and 7. Oh, so this is just what am I doing, Larry? Right. So then now what happens? So this gives me a 7. It puts in a 7, but we want 5 and 7, which is 2, obviously. So we actually just want current is equal to plus value. Okay, is that why? Nope. Well, 5, 7, 2. Oh no, that is right. Okay. Let's give it a submit. Okay, I really did not understand that. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think and how did you do this contest. That's all I have. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.